What are some of the reasons people call a professional drone pilot up?
So we operate more, the company I work with mainly operates in the oil and gas space. So we do a lot of inspections of different types. So one of the things I'm going to do when I go offshore this week is to do methane inspections. So there's a organization called the Oil and Gas Methane Partnership. That's something that a lot of the majors have signed up for, where they monitor and report on their methane emissions. So with that now, an industry has developed where these companies use different technologies to be able to detect methane at different levels. So in reporting at different levels, there's different levels of achievement that you can get as a company for your reporting. So there's what we call I think it's level 4 is component level. So that's where you walk around with like your OGI cameras and you detect your leaks on different components and whatever valves and whatever leaking. And then you have what we do, which is level 5, what they call the site level. So we collect the emission values from the entire site, and then the company that provides the technology that we use will report it and send it to them, and then they report their emissions annually to the OGMP body to get whatever levels that they have applied for. How it's used beyond that, I don't know, but that's what we do.